Alright, today I'm going to review a car charger from UGreen. This thing has USB-C and USB-A port, so that's nice. Yeah, let's just do the unboxing. So here's how the box looks like. And you can see there's three stuff it says. Multi-protection, power delivery, 30 watt fast charging only for the USB-C port. And USB-A, there's nothing right here. Nothing. And when you look at the specification, so it says 12 to 24 volt, 4 amps. For the USB-A, it can do this, and USB-C can do this. So for the total output, that's 30 watt, which is the max for this charger. Here's more stuff. So let's open this thing. So before you get the charger, we got the instructions and more instruction. And we got this, the charger itself. Looks like space gray, kinda like iPhone 5, but a bit lighter, I guess. Anyway, so here's how it looks like. You can see it says stuff right here, and it's basically the same thing as this right here. There's a USB-A port and USB-C port right here. Power delivery again. Oh yeah, this is my second one, by the way. The first one is in that car, and I'm gonna put this one in this car, so yeah. Alright, so I just got in a car. Here's a charger. I'm just gonna leave there for now. I'm gonna put this thing in accessory mode because you don't need the car to be fully turned on. And I'm gonna take out the cigarette port, and here's the charger itself. As you can see, it shows the blue light right there. What it means is it's on. There's no way you can turn it off because it doesn't have any switch or anything. The only way you can turn it off is switch the ignition to off. And as you can see, it's just turned off. And let me switch back it to accessory mode again. And let's just put some random stuff. I just realized that I bought this iPod. You can see this is the 5th gen iPod Touch. It uses lightning, but what I bring instead is a 30-pin cable. But don't worry, good thing I have my iPod mini. That's my newest iPod, and this is my oldest iPod. Ignore the interiors. I just got this car. Let's plug this thing in, and plug this thing in. There you go. It's charging. So yeah, it charged. It's doing its thing. Alright, it's been past couple of days, and I decided to bring lightning cables. So this one's the lightning to USB-A, and this one is lightning to USB-C. So I got two devices that use lightning. Here's the 13 Pro Max. You can see I have 42% right now. And here's the iPod Touch 5th generation from the other day. The battery's about to die, so I'm gonna put lightning first. So the bottom is USB-C power delivery. There you go, it's working. Also, you can charge both of them at the same time, so you just put this thing in. There you go, it's charging. Both of these are charging, as you can see right here. This charger works with two devices, basically. So this charger is like what, 20 ringgit when I got this one, which is like $4.48. This was when it's on sale on Shopee. As of right now, it's 32 ringgit, which is about $7. Alright, it's been like what, a couple of days, maybe weeks since I filmed the last part, except for the part that I showed to the device, which is like a few minutes ago. So I want to review about this charger. What do I think about it is, I think it's great as it offers this kind of charging. Speaking about USB-C, since it can do power delivery, I think it's great since most of the device offers power delivery charging right now. And for its price, I think that it's really great. Consider you can get it for this cheap, and also this is not like some random junk brand. This is actually a good one. Once again, this is my second one. I have another one in my Proton, and that charger has been in that car for like what, couple of months now, and it's been flawless. This one, it should work fine. So do I recommend it? Absolutely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and bye. Hi.